Hey, what's up, guys? I found one of the greatest video in the YouTube. It is this one. This is from the PC security channel, and it is show you how hackers deliver the malware using the social media platforms. Leveraging on the social media platform, they are deliver the malware. Please go ahead and watch that video and subscribe to that channel. Huge shout out to the PC security channel. Thanks for doing such a great things to the community and educating the people. Our video is today kind of continuation of that video, and we are going to dig in deeper a little bit from the malware analysis side. It is in that video, if you watch already, you can see this Facebook page, and it's still in the Facebook, and it is saying this is the new AI of the Google, and if you downloaded this and install it using this code, you will get 1 year free version. This is the trick. So I did this thing. I have already downloaded this malware file and I extracted that on my malware analysis VM. If you hover over in this link, you can see left corner the link which is set to download automatically this RAR file. Here is my RAR file and I have already downloaded this into my Flare VM and I have extracted that using this 02 2024 code, and it is this folder. So when you double click on this, it has a Windows installer MSI file. If you check the properties in here and check the details, for example, see this is the revision number and content created on 1999. All right. So you can see this is totally fake installer. And here are the details you can see and the comment. There's everything like we can say usually it's not from the Google. I did this test before I record this video, and I have noticed when we are installing this, it is going to create a directory under the C program files x86 folder called Google. And inside that, it will create some other directories, JavaScript, as well as a PowerShell script. I will demonstrate everything and we'll little bit analyze this in very basic level and let's see what we can find through this. I was a bit curious after watching that video from the PC security channel. Again, thank you PC security channel. And because of that curiosity, I wanted to analyze this is a little bit. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start my fake net, which is going to act as my DNS server, which is fake DNS server. And I have completely disabled my internet connection and other network connections. Okay. And this is running. Also, it's there. I don't want to run the process monitor because this is not executing any process, but there are some interesting things which we can see. Without further ado, I will go ahead and start the installation process. I will double click the MSI file and it is giving me this. I would say yes, run, click next. It's just like legitimate still and say next. And it is asking the security warning, which is asking usual stuff. I would say yes, and it is installing everything. And this is the thing. FakeNet is does not allow to send the DNS request and all the stuff because it's running fake internet. So, and as you can see through that installer, it is asking to add a extension in our Edge browser. I use Edge browser only in my Flare VM, so it is asking. Maybe it's asking on your default browser. This is the extension, and as you can see, it is Google Translator extension, which is fine. Okay, I will show you some interesting things. Yeah, this is our fake name. Fine. I will close this and we can see some requests in the fake net. Okay, alrighty. And here, as you can, maybe I will cut this down first, then it's easy. And here, as you can see, it has created a Google folder, which wasn't there before. And when I go inside that, when we go install folder, and we can see few other DLLs, install CMD, and some gibberish in here, and that's one. I am able to took a screenshot when it's popping up the CMD, and that's how I figure out it is creating a folder called Google and in trying to run PS file, which means PowerShell file. As you can see in here, it is saying cannot find the path for this registry key, especially for Chrome, and it is saying it's trying to install this one, ru.ps1 here. So that's how I found this folder. And when we go in there, especially this one, it has these ones. If you can remember this PNG, the Google Translator, that's what it's trying to install over here. It is this one, right? This is the ru.ps1 which is showing in here. And if we open this in Notepad++, we can see the content. Asking to do force installation under the Chrome, MSH, and Brave, and silent, and continue. And there's a register key value for these. All the details in here. Quite interesting. And after that, if you go to this folder, you can see few Excel files, which wasn't there before. We'll see what's in there as well. And we have installed a CMD file. I'll try to open it. This is execution policy bypass. It's for the PowerShell script. This all of the thing come after installing that file. It's not doing any process, it's not running any executable, and it's not detect to the Windows Defender as well, some other DLL as well. When we go inside this and when we try to open this, I don't have Excel installed on this VM, but we can open, yes, we can open this on Notepad++. We'll try to increase the font, and there are some codes over here, and as you can see there's a number, an email. I don't know whether these are legitimate or not. See some sort of details here, and we'll open this one. Again, the same thing, I guess. Not sure whether it's same. Yes, same thing. We'll open this one, similar, and we'll open this. Oh, it has a huge list. I don't know what it is, but there's a list. I don't know what are these numbers and all the stuff. It looks like this is TD, which means table data. There should be a table header somewhere. ID. I don't know what this is. I don't know. No idea what this is. Something table, some data. Alrighty. That's how it is. And when we go there, if we look at the JavaScript and content.javascript, especially in the background.js, you can see it's a shell code, this part of that. It looks like it is. I don't know what it is, but JavaScript shouldn't be looks like that. And here is the rest of the JavaScript. I haven't dig in deeper, but it still has some URI and all the stuff. We'll try to copy everything and use the CyberChef maybe, where I can find the CyberChef tools. CyberChef. We'll see what we can see. Maybe from Hex. See few things. Some URLs. Verification tokens. What I will do is I will copy only this part and paste into the CyberChef. Yes. As you can see, it is maybe trying to get the user token. I'm not sure, I have no idea what this is trying to do, but after that it is saying message equal ip api.com/ this one, whatever it is. It's looks not good. This is in the background.js file, and we'll see what's in the content.js. I think it is executing the file runtime message. Nothing much interesting things in there. Yeah, that's how it is. And these are the other files which we had looked already. I want to show you these details, and I just wanted to find how it's working. That's how it's working. It's just adding a browser extension, and through that I feel like it's trying to steal your Facebook account settings or user token, that sort of browser data. It's kind of info stealer, which is trying to steal your browser data. That's how these are working. When you browse in the social media, especially this kind of legitimate page, but it's totally fake, but based on the followers, like and comments, you can say it's feel like legitimate, but be careful every time. Think twice before you click these type of links, and be safe every time. Don't get hacked. Again, huge thanks for the PC security channel to educating people like this. Please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you very much for being with me, and hope you guys learned something through this. We'll see you with the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you.